I don't know. I don't know what this is. Hi guys, it's Tani. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided I would do a one brand tutorial using only Clinique products. As many of you may know or not know, I am a Clinique consultant. So I have been working for Clinique for about a year and a half now, and I absolutely love our products. So I thought I would show you how I normally do my makeup for work. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to prime my skin, I'm going to be using the Moisture Surge 72 Hour Hydrator. This is a extremely hydrating moisturizer, so it acts amazingly as a primer. And then I always like to use a bit of eye cream as well, as it helps to smooth out any product that goes on top, especially concealer underneath the eye. I'm then taking the Beyond Perfecting Concealer and using that to prime my eyelids. I got a little bit too much on, so I'm just using my finger to spread that onto the other eye as well. Then I'm taking my damp beauty blender and just tapping that out to blend it over the eye area. Next, I'm going to use the Stay Matte powder in the Invisible blend and just use that to set the concealer in place. Then I actually am going in with the Clinique bronzer, and I'm going to use that in my crease just to give a little bit of definition. I like to do this most days as it's just a nice easy step, but it looks nice and natural as well. And then I'm using the Morning Java eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking the two like shimmery kind of gold champagne-y colors and going to mix them together with my finger and tap it on my lid. And then taking my all-time favorite liquid eyeliner, the Clinique Pretty Easy Liner, and using that to create a really nice wing. And then I'm taking the High Impact Mascara. This is a really nice volumizing and lengthening mascara, so I am coating my top lashes with this one. And then I'd just like to give my skin a spritz of the Moisture Surge facial spray. It just helps to kind of re-prime the skin and moisturize and hydrate. And then I'm going to use the Beyond Perfecting foundation over my skin today. This is one of my all-time favorites. Gives you amazing coverage and a beautiful natural finish. And then I'm using the same concealer I used before, the Beyond Perfecting Concealer, and using that to conceal and highlight the high points of my face. So Cupid's bow, chin, nose, temples, and underneath the eyes. Then I'll grab the same invisible powder I used to set my eyelids before, just to set under my eyes and then the rest of my face. I like this powder because it's not too heavy, but it helps to mattify and control shine throughout the day. And then I'm just taking the Lash Power Mascara to coat my bottom lashes, as this one doesn't transfer or smudge. And then going back in with that bronzer I used on my eyelids, I'm just using that to warm up the rest of my face. So I like to do underneath my cheekbones, my temples, and then also my jawline. And then I'm going in with my favorite blush, which is the Glow Blushing Blush. I'm just placing that on the apples of my cheeks. I like this because it's just nice and natural and not too pink toned for my liking. And then I'm also going in with the Uplighting Face Powder
just for a bit of highlight. So I'm going to put that on the top of my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose as well. And then to line my lips, I'm just going to use our lip liner. I think this was in the shade Intense Blush. So I've just lined my lips, and then I'm going to be using the shade Nude Pop over the top just to give a nice natural kind of nudie pink shade over the lips there. And then I will also use the Lip Pop Splash in the shade Adore You just to give a little bit of gloss over the top of the lipstick.
Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. This is the final look. I really hope you've enjoyed watching today's video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are new. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!